Okay guys, quick update on the tanks. All the fish are doing good. The little white goldfish died though. And we got an algae eater, but he's hiding right now, so here's this week's video. Okay. It's just gonna be a short video today, I guess, because there's not really to explain. The jewel cichlids are getting close to breeding. Their colors are flaring up and everything. And females getting big. And yeah. That's it. Oh. Ace Boogie! There's my dog. There's my sister's dog. That one's Buttercup. That one's Ace. There's the other dog that you didn't get to see on the last video of the tanks at my mom's house. So yeah, there she is. And bye.